Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart OPPO A6 Pro. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We have a normal reboot using the power menu, and we also have the force restart. I will show you both methods. Let's begin with the reboot using the power menu. All we need to do is to launch the power menu, of course, by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time. Just like that. Now all you need to do is to drag this white ball into the restart function, then release your finger. After that you need to wait a few seconds and simply wait until your phone turns on. Everything will be done automatically. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device regularly is good for your device health, because basically during that process our phone rests for a moment, the RAM gets freed up, so that is why it can boost its performance and also extend its lifespan. I would say that rebooting, for example, once a week is completely enough and it's okay. When it comes to the force restart, this method is recommended basically when we cannot perform the first method, the reboot using the power menu, and for example in situations when our whole device is lagged, frozen, when the screen is unresponsive, and when we cannot do anything. That is the moment when we can perform a force restart, and after that everything should work properly. To perform it, we need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until we see the OPPO logo. So keep holding both buttons. It's going to take like 10 seconds, so simply be patient and keep holding both buttons. The screen has turned off, the OPPO logo appears, the phone vibrates, so we can release our fingers. Now simply wait until you see your home screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.